Today we made a step forward in healthcare innovation. For the first time in our country, we have performed experimental drone flights with biological samples, which are classified as dangerous goods. In an upcoming future, this technology will allow us both to reduce time between blood collection and test results, and also to break down distances between collection centers spread all over the country and our main laboratory platforms, where tests are executed at the highest quality standards. This way, we match the patient need of a capillary service even in remote locations and the quality that a high-level lab platform can guarantee.